Good day traders, welcome to another video of our YouTube channel, right? Today I'm very excited that finally we have the N5 chat hacker full version, right? Remember, the N5 chat hacker is the same as the Red Billion software, but the difference is that the N5 is the advanced software of the Red Billion software, right? So the N5 chat hacker comes with more indicators and with more market structure. So please take this wonderful opportunity just for me to explain how to use the N5 chat hacker. Right. So remember, this system uses technical analysis, right? When it comes to market structure, market volume, market momentum, right? But when it comes to entry levels, it uses scalping strategy. Okay, for entry levels we use scalping strategy. Right, now let me show you why this is technical analysis system. Right, the first thing is that it has two levels. There's the red level, which is on top, and then the green level, which is below here. Right, so these two levels, they represent the support and the resistance zones, okay, or the supply and demand levels. Okay, now the first level, the one that is on top, represents the resistance level, right? And then the one below represents the support level. Okay, now what do we do when the market comes to these levels? Right, this is the representation of a resistance level, meaning that when the market reaches this level, there is a high or huge possibility that the market is going for a sell. Okay, and then when the market reaches the green zone, which is our support level, it represents that the market might have a possibility or high chances of bullish pressure or buy level or buy entry. Okay, so what we do is technical analysis says when the market is at the resistance, we sell. Right, when the market is at the support, we buy. Okay, so these are just two levels that are representing whether we are going to buy or whether we are going to sell. Right, also the second indicator this system comes with is this brilliant reversal candles or brilliant reversal signals. Right, this big round shape cycles, right, that comes with the system. So these two signals represent two things. This one that is on top, it is the sell signal, and then the one that is below, it is our buy signal. All right, now these two signals, they represent a high chance probability that the market is going to change direction. Now they come with big momentum. Once you get this signal, you must know that the buy from this level is going to be with, it's going to come with more pips or with higher pips. All right, now even this signal, this one that is right here, it shows that the market is going to sell aggressively or we're gonna have more bearish pressure. Okay, now let's talk the information, let's talk the language of forex. Now when the market is at this level of the resistance level and then you get this signal of a sell, it shows that there is more bearish pressure that is going to come after this signal. When the market reaches the support level and then you get a buy signal, it simply means there is more bullish pressure that is coming after this signal. Okay, now these two signals, the reason why they are very accurate and then they are good when it comes to making more money, there is high chances that you will gain or you will get more pips, is because these two signals represent the high possibility of trades. And also they are long-term signals. So it simply means once you get a signal at the support, you must hold for days or you must hold for at least for a long period of time. Right, so you can just imagine from this level going forward up to this level, how many pips have been calculated or how many pips have been made at these zones. Right, also you can just imagine how many pips was collected from this signal at the resistance level. So in simple terms, when it comes to the support and resistance, I always advise traders that when you're using this system, wait for the market to reach your support level before you take any trades, right? Also right here at the resistance level, wait for the market to to reach the resistance level. Have patience. The only disadvantage about this system, I always say this, is that it will take a lot of patience. You have to wait, right? Now, let me show you different examples of signals. You will have these two signals, the brilliant ones, right? And then you will have the normal signals, which are the small signals. Now, the difference is that these big signals, they represent high velocity, high momentum, and high pressure in the market, and a long-term signal, right? But these small signals right here inside the channel, they represent the pullbacks or the retracement in the market, or the retracement or the pullbacks of the direction of the market. Okay, so it simply means these are just short-term signals, of which I don't always advise traders to take these short-term signals. I always look out for the big-term signals or the long-term signals, right? Now, these ones that are inside the channel, the most important part of this is that whatever that is happening inside the channels, these are just pullbacks signals, short-term signals, right? So when it comes to these signals, you don't hold for long. But I always advise traders not to take this kind of signals because they are not really accurate. That is why a lot of traders are losing money. Now, this is the second step, right? Now, the third step of the N5 chart hacker, right? It will come with a Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, those who are familiar with trading the Fibonacci the work will be quite more easier for them to understand what is happening. Okay, now the Fibonacci retracement has its own levels, right? It starts from 0% up until 100%. Now, on your right hand side of your screen, you will see percentages going forward or going up, right? It starts from 0% and then goes to 23%, 38%, and then 50%, and then 61%, 76%, and 100%. Those who are using or familiar with the Fibonacci, they will know what to do with these levels that are on the right-hand side. Now, this is another indicator that comes with the N5 chart hacker, just to make work even more easier. So we know once the market is at the support level, and then you have your signal of a buy, then you must be at your 0% of the Fibonacci retracement level for you to have more confidence on this trade. We are at 0%, and then also we have a signal, and also we are at the support level. So it is 100% accurate that this signal might be correct, right? For us to sell here, the market must be at 100% Fibonacci level, right? And then also there must be a signal of a sell, and the market must be at the resistance level for us to have confidence in taking this trade. So the Fibonacci level will be at 100%. I always advise traders also to take the signals at 100% and 0%. Those who are trading based on the price action entries. Okay, those who are trading levels of support and resistance. Those who are taking signals at the support, and those who are taking signals at the resistance. Right. So those who take positions or who take signals by using scalping, right? For your levels, on your levels, right? You have 0% and 23%. So if you are using scalping, you will wait for the market to reach 23% of your Fibonacci level. Then you can take a buy from here. Meaning that you are going to not to take a trade at this level, right? You are going to wait for the market to reach 23% for you to trade this position using the scalping. Remember, this one is for scalpers, right? Scalpers, they don't enter immediately at this level, but they wait until the market reaches the 23% of the Fibonacci, right? For a sell signal, right, as a scalper, you are not going to enter at the resistance level because you have to wait, right? You have to wait for the reversal. You have to wait for the pullback, okay? So scalpers, what they do is they don't enter immediately at the resistance level, but they wait for a reversal, meaning that their only entry level will be at the 76% of the Fibonacci level. Okay, at the 76% of the Fibonacci level, that is where they will sell from this. That is where they will scalp from this level, right? And then mostly the take profit will be at the 50% of the Fibonacci level. So the Fibonacci level, even if you take a position of a buy, your take profit will be at the 50%, right? If you take a sell, your take profit will be at the 50%. Why 50%? Because 50% it is the retracement level. This is where we expect the market to change, probably to change direction or to continue on a continuous movement, right? If you are buying from here, it's either the market is going to retrace at 50%, or we're going to have more continuous buy momentum or buy or bullish pressure. Okay, now for our sell at 100%, if we took this trade, simply means we were going to sell, right? And then we're going to insert our take profit at the 50%. Why? Because at 50, this is where we expect the market to either retrace, go back to an opposite direction, or continue on more bearish pressure or bearish momentum onto the downside up until it reaches the 0%. I hope I'm making sense, right? So now I'm talking to those who are using the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci at 50%, this is the way we normally put we place our take profit at. I hope I'm making sense. Okay. So if you sell from 100%, you can use the 50% as your take profit. Right now, currently, as you can see, the market is nearly there at the 50% from this 100% sell. Right. Hope it makes sense. Okay. So the 50% for Fibonacci, we use it as a take profit because 50% it is where we expect the market to do what? To change direction. And the reason why we buy, if you are scalping, the reason why you buy at 23% is because the buyers have regained strength from 0% to 23%. So they show more bullish pressure. They are in control. The reason why we sell at 76 is because from 100% to 76 there, it simply means that the market is falling. It simply means the sellers are in control. From 100% to 76%, now the momentum is on the sellers. Okay. Now, the other indicator that comes with N5 chart hacker is this indicator that is on your left-hand side of your screen. The first option, it says market range, 78 pips already that has been made from this signal from a sell up until this level. 78 pips already have been acquired. So if you don't know how to calculate pips, the system will automatically give, or it will show you how many pips you are running on profit or on a loss. So it calculates pips for you. Beginners, those who don't know how to calculate pips, it will show them, right? And also it will say market condition. It will say SOR area, meaning that SR area simply means support or resistance area. So it shows you where the market is at currently or presently, right? So if it says S and R, it simply means it's a support or resistance area. It simply means the market right now is at the support or the resistance area. And as you can see, the market was currently right now at the resistance area. Okay, now the market condition changes, right? So the market condition is the one that will give you a signal. If it says S and R, it simply means now you're not going to enter, right, as scalpers, because this one is the signal for scalpers, right? So it will say S and R, which means is the market is at the support or resistance. Then it will change it, right? If the market reaches a certain price where there is a signal, it will say safe trade. So if it says safe trade, if we are here, it says safe trade, simply means we are going to take a sell trade. But if we are on the bullish side, right, if it says market condition says safe trade, simply means we're going to take a safe buy. So market condition changes with the market. It changes with the market. So automatically the N5 chart hacker will show you if the market moves from the support or the resistance area, it will say safe trade. So you will wait up until it says safe trade. Then you can take the signal. Okay. And then it shows the broker time, and then the account currency, and then the spread. Another trader, there are traders who don't know how to calculate the spread, right? So automatically the system will calculate the spread for you. You don't even have to calculate it on your own. So if it says spread and then it says 1.2 pips, it says 1.2 pips. So it has calculated what spread you are working on currently on Euro USD, because the spread changes on each and every currency. Each and every currency has its own spread, right? And then below it says leverage, which is 1:200, meaning this is the leverage that I'm using, right, on this account. So it will show you all these indicators. It shows you market range 78 pips, market condition, this is the signal. Market condition, if it says safe trade, that's when you will take the signal, whether you are buying or you are selling. And then it says broker time, account currency, it shows you each and everything that is happening, right? And then lastly, we have what we call a wave. This is the nice part. We have what we call a wave. Now, the scenario of a wave is quite very nice, right? The wave, we also call it a channel in technical analysis, right? We don't say a wave, but we say a channel most of the time, right? So the channel can use as a buy trend or a sell trend. Right now, currently looking at this channel, we can use this channel as a buy trend. It simply means the market is trending on an upper side. But if it was going on a bearish movement, it was gonna be trending on a sell side or on a downtrend. Right now, a channel is a description of momentum or movement currently that is happening in each and every pair. Right now, looking at the channel, it shows that there was more bullish pressure than sell pressure. Okay, now the channel moves with the direction of the market. If the market is buying, the channel will buy. If the market is selling, the channel will sell. Now, the nice thing about the channel is you have to wait for a channel to change direction. As you can see, the channel was selling, right? The channel was selling. Now, you have to wait for the channel to do what? To give you a skew sign, or to give you a sign or change direction to the bullish movement. But if you have a signal at the support and then the channel is still going for a sell, or the channel is still on a downtrend, it simply means you are not going to take that signal. You have to wait for the channel to change direction. You have to wait for the channel to do what? To move on the upper side, to give you that shape that now we are going to buy. Okay, even here at this point, for you to trade this wave, it simply means we have to wait for what? As you can see, the market is going up, right? So at this channel, we have to wait for it to change direction, just to give us a clear momentum that the market is changing direction. Now, the market is no longer going on a uptrend, but now sooner or later, a downtrend is coming. So we have to wait for the market to do what? To reach this level and just give us a clear shape or a nice shape to the downside. Then from there, we can trade using the wave. Okay, and then on the wave, as you can see, there's different colors. There's a blue color, there's a red color, there's a blue color here, also there's a red color. Now, what you do is, if the market is at the support or the resistance right here, right? If now the signal is at your wave, the last wave, meaning that these red colors, let me start from here. This one, right, it's on top, right? This is the color that we can use as a resistance level. Remember, when you are trading the downtrend and the uptrend, right? The upper level, you can use it as the resistance. The downer level, you can use it as a support based on the trend lines. Okay, so at the red zone, it is where we sell, right? And then at the red zone on below, it is where we buy. This one is the resistance, and then this one is the support. Okay, now you're gonna wait for your signal to reach that level of a support for you to have an accurate buy entry. Okay, and also here, as you can see, the market reaches the resistance level, and also it reaches the resistance level of the wave or of the trend line or of the channel, right? So the only thing that you should have waited here is for your wave to change direction from going up to going down. So also the wave gives you more confidence. It adds into our strategy that we have to wait. Firstly, remember, it must be at 100%, and then there must be a signal. Now there is a wave now that is introduced. We wait for the wave for us to enter more aggressively. That is why this system is very consistent. This system makes a lot of money. This system is very easy to be used, right? Because it has multiple easy and consistent indicators that you will find in the market. Lastly, you will have what we call the candle signals. Candle signals. So the candle signals are also signals, right? That illustrates the kind of candle that is coming after a signal. So you will get a signal at 0%, you get a signal, and then you will get another signal of a candle. It will say bullish engulfing candle. It simply means that this signal has a bullish pressure or a bullish momentum. Why? Because there is a bullish engulfing candle that is introduced. So you have to wait for a signal, and then you will get that kind of a candle that will show you whether the market is buying or selling. Right here it will say a what? A bear cross or a bearish engulfing candle, for you to see the kind of candle that is coming after this signal. And then it is also adding to our confidence and our confirmation that the market is going to sell. Why? Because you have a signal at 100%, and then also you have a resistance level, and now you have a bearish engulfing candle that is introduced. So it shows you that really the market is going for a sell. It's either it will say a bear cross or a bearish engulfing candle. Right below here, it's either it will say a bullish engulfing candle or a bull cross. Okay, so those traders, there are traders that trade only candles as their confirmations. So it's very nice for you to get a signal and then wait for the red candle after to show you that really the market is going for a buy or a sell. I hope this information was very visible and easy. And then for mentorship, we are available for mentorship and installation. This system is one of the most easiest systems when it comes to installation. You may see all these indicators as confusing, but when you start to install this system, you will see it will be much more easier to install the system. Now remember, this system trades on each and every pair. And also the question that I always get, as you can see, we are also using a 1 hour time frame. The question that I always get from traders is,